Once upon a time, deep in a glowing green jungle, lived three inseparable friends, Pika the parrot, Elo the elephant, and Tigo the tiger. They played together, ate together, and filled the jungle with laughter. Came Zorith, the Lion King, holding a magical staff of dark power. High voltage. With one strike, he evaporated the pond's water, and the poor mermaids fell helplessly to the ground, crying.
Hey,
Hearing their
mermaids,
cries,
you
Pika,
are on my
Elo,
feast
and
today.
Tigo ran to
Nobody
help.
can save you.
They built a great Shiva lingam from stones and leaves, and prayed with all their hearts. Folded hands, lightning flashed, and Lord Shiva appeared, glowing with divine light. He raised his hand and
Thank you, Lord Shiva. You saved us.
lion running dash. As the sun rose, a rainbow spread across the jungle, and Lord Shiva's blessing shimmered in the sky. Rainbow sparkles, because when friends stand together with faith and love, even the darkest magic fades away. Sparkling heart.
You